Don't forget. I'm not as young as you think.
Okay, so what do you think about your generation? Swati,
Tell me.
please
Not
explain.
very, very-
No, you can be frank. Don't
No,
worry.
honestly, I feel it's a very comfortable life, but at the same time, it's very competitive in a way.
In what way?
In every way. There are so many streams, like there are best in every streams, but you have to like strive to get a job. It's not like pehle where there were no
No,
jobs.
even our time also we had to strive to get a job.
Yeah, but
So I think that is India's problem from 1947.
To get no.
No, there were
We
no-
don't have only jobs.
No, even
We go, we
even
don't have jobs.
no, even our time also no. Choosing a job was never an option. हम लोग को जो मिला हम लोग ने किया. ऐसा है. अभी शिपिंग भी बाय डिफॉल्ट ही आया हम लोग.
But I mean, in a
I'll
way-
tell you frankly, no, like how Swati has just said, na. After college, 3 to 4 years, like मैं तो टप्पोरी की अपनी जिंदगी की नौकरी मैं किया BSc और लैब असिस्टेंट का कोर्स किया, लेकिन जॉब नहीं मिल रहा था क्योंकि सब आज जैसा आज है वैसा उस टाइम में भी था. अब शिपिंग मिला मेरे को कैसा मालूम है, क्योंकि मेरा एक दोस्त जो विजय जोशी है वो जेम्स मैकेंटोश में था और उसका भाई मेरे साथ टप्पोरी गिरी करता था. तो उसका भाई को मेरे से बचाने के लिए उसने बोला सबसे पहले इसको जॉब पे लगा. वो बोला अगर एंथनी जॉब पे रहेगा ना तो मेरा भाई इसके साथ घूमेगा नहीं और वो लाइन पे आएगा. तो उसने पहला जॉब मेरे को दिया. हाँ, you know,
Exactly.
no, the fact, what I mean to say is कि जॉब इंडिया में इवन पेरेंट्स टाइम में भी इतना आसानी से नहीं मिलता था. हमारे टाइम में भी नहीं मिलता है और तुम लोग का भी जनरेशन उसमें पिस गया. आई ओनली प्रे कि तुम्हारे बाद का जनरेशन तुम्हारे चिल्ड्रन को ऐसा मौका कभी ना मिले कि उन लोग अगर whatever they do their passion or whatever they complete their education with their passion, they should get a job.
It will be more competitive at that time because we don't
It's getting more competitive as well.
कॉम्पिटिटिव तो होगा या हमारे टाइम में. हाँ, ये मैं बोल सकता हमारे टाइम में कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस नहीं था.
I am totally against what all you say. वो time पे you only had to go for certain jobs.
हाँ,
Only had certain jobs.
certain या limited.
Limited jobs, but now on the contrary you have so many.
You have an option for job.
options. So, पहले क्या था? Medical, engineering. ये दो
हाँ,
options.
ये दो,
You only
ये
have to do that. Today you have so
many, so
things.
many.
You can do so many things. So
Yeah.
no competitive. I'm not arguing on the fact that it is not competitive, but you can, if you have ideas, you know something, you can explore that.
You can create.
reach somewhere. So
ये बात सही बोला. What Subhash said is right कि अभी है ना it has branched out in many ways, like it's an octopus way.
Yeah, but
Now.
you do realize even though there are so many streams, for
Yeah.
you to actually be successful, it has to be your effort. Like
No, it has to be na beta. See, effort, without effort you will not get
that is
anything.
there, but even in your generation, think about it. Like you had friends helping you, but at this point, more than friends helping you, it's just you helping yourself.
Huh.
No matter how much your parents want to help you, no matter how much your teachers want to help you, if you do not want to help yourself,
No, that is
never-
there.
like even engineering we know, you will not succeed. It's that
हाँ,
competitive.
वो तो है.
that's good in a way. Na?
It's
That you-
good, of
you are
course,
getting
like you'll
to
be
what
more
you want.
motivated,
Not
but I'm
that
saying-
nobody is pushing you to do something. You do what you
नहीं,
want.
but
हमारे यहाँ पे बोलते हैं, जाओ, medicine करो. अरे you
नहीं,
don't
नहीं,
want
of
to do
course.
medicine.
That I
You
agree
can
कि
do.
we have like thousands of different things to do. That I agree. But I'm saying at the same time, the number of people who are getting into these streams and the number of people who are getting educated, getting jobs are also that many more.
Yeah.
Like for example, for in your generation, many women, like I think including mom, even if she had done college, she was not getting into the workforce. But at this point, without work, no one wants to go further. Like fighting, they want to be financially independent.
This is what I would agree because that time cost of living was very cheap.
हाँ.
It was not so means hand to mouth I would say, but yeah हम लोग जी सकते थे with whatever little mere earnings was there ना we could live happily. Yes, like, because
You didn't have anything else.
No. The thing is, our aspirations. No. Our aspiration that time was, we should have a good home, good food to eat, and a good clothes to wear. We need limited. अभी कैसा है, अब कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस की वजह से और इतना पूरा ये सब आ गया ना, ताम झाम आ गया.
You want a farmhouse, you want a house for your parents, then you want a house in the backyard, then you want to like live in a different country, you want to work a certain job, and maybe you want to invest in mutual funds, you want to do this, you want like 4 different streams of income for this. So every single person I know at this point is not just doing their first primary job. They are like investing in something, they're doing mutual funds, they're doing something on the side on social media. Kuch na kuch, so there has to be like 3 to 4 sources of income in today's day for a couple to live
बरोबर है.
happily. Like each person has to have at least 2 to 3 income का source.
हाँ वो तो है. You need to have a parallel income. You can't survive on a single
That
income.
wasn't the case back then, but then I agree कि at that point all you wanted was a house
Yeah.
and like food. Even car was not a necessity.
Yeah,
At this
exactly.
point, you need two cars because there are 2 people in the house working in 2 different jobs. So everyone wants to drive into the car, like 2 different cars. They want one wants to go there, one wants to go here. So I agree. Like there are more things that you want in life right now, but at the same time, you need more money to survive. So we have to work not one, but like have 4 different streams of income.
Yeah, but what as I'll come back to Subhash, what he said, you know, that you have a choice, you have something to decide on, and you can create your own world.
Absolutely, I do not disagree with
क्या
that.
बोलता है सुभाष?
Obviously, that's what I said. You can do you can live your life. You can do whatever your passion. Today, earlier, just think if you were a musician, just a musician, or maybe anything else, a painter, for example, you couldn't survive.
Yeah.
You had to work somewhere. Today, if you are a musician, you can do so many concerts. You are a painter. Just one painting. I mean, if you are a good painter, it will give you lakhs of rupees, right? So you can still live. I mean, you can do what you love. Even if you want to be an RJ, जाओ यार, सुबह का काम करो, काम किया, पैसा मिल रहा है यार, और क्या
हाँ, वो तो है.
उससे 2-3 strings what she is talking about is okay. But 20 string में तुमने पैसा मिलता है तो और क्यों करने का 2-3?
Because you need that much money to survive at this point.
Depends what you want to do. Right?
Arey,
हाँ, depends how you would like to spend your money.
If you want to color your hair, you will have to have more money.
that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying ki if you actually want to start a life at this point, like right, like you want to have a home that is yours, you want to have a car that is yours. Even uske liye, whatever as a fresher you get a job, that is not enough. You have to reach a certain position in your career, that first job itself, for you to be able to get a home loan or a car loan at least, right? Like home loan to dur ki baat hai, you still live on rent, that is fine, but car loan. So for that you need 2-3 sources of income is what I'm saying.
No, let me pan the ladies what are their views. Okay, so now I would like to ask your view. Lini, what you would like to say? What do you think about today's generation thinking? No, don't look at her. You give your honest reply, no?
They have many more opportunities, of course they have. But it has its own advantages and drawbacks.
Okay,
Yeah.
fine. And Sushma, what do you think?
Yeah.
Okay.
Diplomatic. No. That is a truth. Actually, that's a truth. Yeah. That's a truth.
Okay, listen. What would Sushma say again? What you said? No, what do you think, Neha?
I heard just one word. Yeah, selfish.
Okay, now coming back to selfish, the word topic selfish.
Yeah.
How would you describe selfishness?
I mean, it depends, right? Like for me, I understand what she means by selfish. Like our generation is a lot more selfish than the previous generation. But I think that is just the tough skill that we have to do to live in this generation. If we don't look after ourselves, कोई और आने वाला नहीं है. Like our parents will be there. But for us to survive in this generation, You have to be a
Yes,
little.
coming back to that,
You have to
now,
be a little.
selfish has two meanings. One, if you have to love, if you have to survive, you have to love your own self. And loving your own self can be termed as selfish. Okay, so that's one way of saying you are selfish. Second is, in spite of having everything, you will not share. That's a selfishness. So, I don't think अपना बच्चे लोग ऐसा तो नहीं है कि उन लोग शेयर नहीं करता है. But
नहीं है वैसे सेल्फ मेड बोल सकता है
हाँ
सेल्फ
सेल्फ
मेड
बट यस आई वुड से दैट बिकॉज ये बहुत सही है तत्व है कि जब तुम खुद से अगर प्यार नहीं करोगे ना तो तुम दूसरे से क्या प्यार करोगे. तो अपने बदन से और अपने आप से प्यार करना बहुत जरूरी है. तो उसके लिए अगर सेल्फिश बनना है हाँ नहीं
घर ही नहीं रहे.
ये भाई तू प्यार करो यार कोई ढूंढो कोई लड़का वड़का. I wanted to hear that, you know. And now the ball comes in your court. चलो. Let us ask. See, Audrey is hiding her face over here.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Audrey, are you selfish?
Very.
हद से
ना बनना चाहिए ना सर.
देखो और एक
I am the only one sitting here trying to argue.
and see my brother how is sleeping. घोड़ा बेच के सोया है. 25,000 घोड़ा का दाव उसमें लगा के आया और अभी सो रहे. देखो चलो. and now here I have all our friends and मेरे फ्रेंड्स के बच्चे लोग और मेरे बच्चे के दोस्त लोग. वो देखो मेरा लंबू अमिताभ बच्चन कैसे पीछे खड़ा है. And Sam don't hide. You introduce Sam to all of them. Why? You have to introduce ना.
I didn't met them before. So many times.
हाँ तुम लोग मिला. So these are all our children where we are staying in Panvel ना. So Ralph grew up with all of them. Is a
लेकिन एक बार से इसके सामने like grow up हुआ है.
हाँ यश आयुष. चलो okay great. So Jenny, what do you think about being selfish?
Sometimes you have to be.
Okay, चलो how would you define selfishness? I mean selfishness. Okay, selfishness for what?
सेल्फिशनेस ये है
हाँ.
अपना पेट में जो खाना रहता है हम खुद खाएंगे दूसरे को नहीं देंगे.
नहीं ऐसा आपको बल है क्या? ऐसा आप नहीं करूँगी. नहीं ना.
जनरली
नहीं उसमें क्या फर्क है अपने लिए भी खाना है ना वो प्लानिंग पे गया मेरे लिए भी खाना बस वही पूछ रहा था
वो भी सेल्फिशनेस हो गया.
चलो.
Selfish till a point is good, but when you cross that line, is when it gets toxic and when it gets bad.
Yes.
So everyone is selfish. Think about it. Every single person in this room is selfish.
Chalo.
But once you cross that line of being too selfish, is when it gets problematic. Is my point.
So now ending topic of selfishness. Okay, one Subha says
I
something.
think the word selfish is not what it is. Whatever people are doing, okay, it's not selfishness. I would term it in a different way. Say self-care.
Yeah, exactly.
self-love.
Well love. Yeah, self-love. Okay. That's the love you should have, you know. It should be spread. 2 टुकड़े में बांटना चाहिए. चलो. Now, okay. Coming back on this, I would say that we had a very good discussion and we had a very good conversation. I love how Swati has, defined and she has stood her ground by saying and by being right properly to say how it is. I would say that yes, selfishness means first love your own self. where you know your own value and then you love others and you take care of others. And yes, as Subhash has rightly said, self-care. That's the word it should be. It is selfishness. Yeah, self-love, self-care. That's good. And Lily for the conversation, Sushma, Purnima, Rama, Subhash, and my superstar, Swati, Rachel, and above all, Jenny.
Who is busy eating carrot?
Yeah.